a very easy and highly effective home remedy to acne, blemishes, dark spots and pigmentation within few days, and this all can be done with the help of coffee. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you how you can prepare a coffee face scrub and a coffee face mask which will help to remove almost all your skin problems and will make your skin fair, glowing, spotless and clear. Coffee is very good for our skin. It is a rich source of antioxidants that protect our skin against free radicals that damage and age us. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the skin and improves the blood flow to the face that makes us look radiant and bright. It also minimizes fine lines and protects against the loss of moisture, making it the ideal choice for anti-aging. Coffee also helps to reverse the damage of UV rays, so definitely make sure to slather this on your skin if you happen to go too much in sun or if you have sun damaged skin. It will help to restore your skin from damage and will remove all your suntan, acne, blemishes, dark spots and will make your skin more bright, radiant, glowing, fair and spotless. So to prepare the coffee scrub, you firstly gonna need sugar. After that you're gonna need coffee grounds or the coffee powder, and here I'm using the ready-made Nescafe one. And the last ingredient which you're gonna need is olive oil, but if you don't have olive oil then you can even use coconut oil. But if in case you don't even have coconut oil, then you can also use sweet almond oil. So now to prepare the homemade coffee scrub, you firstly have to take 1 teaspoon coffee powder in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 teaspoon sugar in it. And then lastly you have to add 1 teaspoon olive oil or coconut oil in it. And then you have to mix all these 3 ingredients really well to make a smooth mixture. And after giving a good mix to all these ingredients, your homemade coffee scrub is ready and it will look like this. And the procedure to use this homemade coffee scrub is very simple and easy. You just have to firstly apply it all over your face and neck and then gently scrub it in circular motions for about 1 or 2 minutes. And after scrubbing it gently all over your face and neck, you just have to wash it off with normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin really well. Now after the coffee scrub, let's see how to prepare the coffee face mask. And for that you firstly gonna need rice flour. After that you are gonna need coffee powder or coffee grounds. Then you are gonna need honey. And lastly you are gonna need curd or yogurt. So to prepare the coffee face mask, you firstly have to take 1 teaspoon coffee powder in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 teaspoon rice flour in it. Then you have to mix both these powder ingredients really well so that they combine with each other nicely. And after mixing both these ingredients, you have to add half a teaspoon honey in it. And then lastly you have to add 2 to 3 teaspoon curd or yogurt in it and then mix everything really well to make a smooth and lump-free mixture. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade coffee face mask is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this face mask should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny, like I'm showing you in the video. And now the procedure to use this face mask is also very simple. You just have to apply a thick layer of this mask all over your face and neck. And you can apply this with the help of your fingers or you can even use a brush to do the job. And after applying a thick layer of this mask all over your face and neck, you just have to leave it for good 20 to 25 minutes. And after that rinse it off with normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin really well. Both these coffee scrub and coffee mask are incredibly effective if you want to remove your suntan, acne, blemishes or any sort of skin discoloration. Both these home remedies will make your skin more fairer, glowing, radiant, spotless and clear. And if you'll use them twice or thrice a week, then they can remove all your skin related problems and will make your skin more bright, fair, glowing and radiant. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.